All right, we got some breaking news from Juice Bikes. They just, Rich over at Juice Bikes sent me a text message. He's like, check this out. The Scrambler, a trapezoid style bike, e-bike. Nice. You got the fat tires. It's kind of a lower profile. It's got that 70s vibe to it. Scrambler. They've got 3 different versions of it: the Camp, the City, or the Hyper. The 750 watt or all the way up to 110 watt. Class 3, up to 28 miles an hour. I notice if we scroll down on the specs, actually the high-end one, the top speed is 34 miles per hour. Nice. So this is on Indiegogo. Here are the 3 different ones. We'll step through. Let's start with the default. Here's the entry-level price of $14.99. You go up to the City, and it bounces up to $16.99, and then you go to the Hyper. Wow, yeah, that gets steep. $24.99. It's a real game changer, but you do get quite a bit. Like I said, this is definitely seems like something that you're going to have a ton of torque and a max speed of 34 miles per hour with torque sensing. That's really nice. The other 2 levels don't come with that. I'm a huge fan of that from riding on the cross current. The torque sensor is really nice. So let's see if we can find. We'll kind of step through some of these pictures. If you get a chance, obviously I'll leave the link. You can go yourself, but I just thought I would cruise through and show you guys the way this thing looks. Really cool. I love the side number thing. That's kind of neat. And it's just on one side too. It's not like on both. At least it doesn't appear to be, which I kind of like that. Yeah. All right. So what else can we look at? See it in action. Why is this not like loading? There should be a video here. I don't know why that's not bouncing up. So same kind of LCD like even on the cross current. Same thing. It's got cruise control, full specs. Got the battery, more on the batteries. Got the motor power here where they're talking about the 110 watt. Man, that's got to be something. Just the right fit. Goes through the dimensions. Excuse my phone. That's kind of a cool helmet. I know, as you know, I looked at the full face helmet. But this one, I'm like getting lost here. I apologize, but I was curious about this thing. Interesting. All right, let's go back to the bike. So those are accessories. What else can we get into? Yeah, okay. Here's that seat post. Just got the shock in it, so that's kind of cool. $250 for that. It's got the rear rack. There's the GPS battery. I don't know. I guess if you feel like your bike is going to have an opportunity to walk away, somebody steal it, probably a cool idea. Not a bad one. But I don't know how that works as far as like, do you have to pay monthly for that? Is there any kind of details on this guy? Real-time tracking. Push notifications. That's actually really cool. Still, I wonder, is there any kind of... I'll have to find out. Ask what's up with that. Do you have to pay a monthly service, or is that just kind of a part of the price? Usually you need a SIM card or something in there to make that happen. Anywho... Just thought I'd give you guys this update. It's not even listed here in the front page. But if you go to their bikes, there it is, the Scrambler. Check it out for yourself if you're interested in this type of bike. Give it a whirl. See what you think. All right, cool, guys. We'll leave it at that. Listen, let me know what you think. Leave some comments in there. And check out the bike. All right. We'll chat with y'all later. See ya.